Five Ducks Academy. The Farm by Ron Semper. Today we went to the farm. We got on the bus. We saw a big red barn. We met a farmer. Farmers take care of the farm. We saw cows. They make milk. We saw pigs. They love the mud. We saw chickens. They lay eggs. We saw sheep. Their fur is called wool. We ran with the sheepdog. They helped the farmer. We saw goats. Goats have great balance. We saw horses. They run really fast. This is a scarecrow. They scare birds away. This is a tractor. It helps the farmer dig. This is a barn cat. They help scare mice away. Did you know tomatoes are fruits? Carrots are a vegetable. They are good for your eyes. Apples come in many colors. Did you know that popcorn is made from corn kernels? Pumpkins come in many colors and sizes. We went for a hayride. We swam in the pond. Last, we had a picnic. The end. Make sure to like and subscribe. Follow us on TikTok and Instagram at 5 Ducks Academy. Bye!